Yeah, good morning to all. We are seeing here in statistics, there are some distributions, and depending upon these distributions, we are just finding here the mean variance, expected frequency, and so on. So, if you have been learn about the probabilities in 10th, in 12th, now here we are going to know the probability by using some distributions, and first one is the binomial distributions. So in these binomial distributions you have to know here, depending upon the samples we are analyzing the data in statistics. So depending upon the samples we are knowing the distributions. So first one is the binomial distributions. Here the samples are less than 30, that means the samples are small, and in that samples there is some probability of that sample, so we are denoting that by small p. So therefore the formula for this distribution is, so ncx, so formula is written, please see here, the formula is here, that is ncx, p to the power x, q to the power n minus x, and here x is n the number of defectives. Suppose in the sample there are defectives, then we can say the x is the number of defectives. X starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to how many the samples are. And here q, that is a complementary probability of p. So p and q are complement to each and other. And from this distribution we are going to know the mean, that is np, variance, that is npq, and expected frequency, that is capital N multiplied by p of x. P of x is the probability, that is binomial distributions, and where this capital N is the large samples. So this is in binomial distributions. Next, that is in Poisson distributions. So here all the samples are that they are infinite and the probability is near about 0. So please see here, this is in samples. Samples are infinite and the probability is 0. So in this case the probability mass function is z to the power minus m to the power x upon x factorial, and this is the probability mass functions of Poisson distributions. X is going from 0 to infinity, and here m is the parameter, and from this we can know here the mean and variance and expected frequency, and in this case here mean and variance they are equal, and so on. So thank you.